What's up everyone, day 34 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Japanese feature flash pack, so hopefully we can pull something good out of it. Wish me luck. Here we go. We've been doing pretty good on getting pretty decent cards, so hopefully we can pull another decent card here. See what happens. Here we go. Give me a second. Cut it one more time. One second, get these cards out. Alright. Here's the first card. Pretty cool looking card. Let me know in the comments if you know the name of it. But definitely a pretty cool card. I like the art on it. And then we have like a ice cone Pokemon. Pretty cool. Then we have this card, pretty cool as well. I like the art on it. Then we have a trainer, pretty cool trainer. And then we have a Fluffy, pretty sure it's called. That'll do it for that pack that you got on day 35 of opening a Pokemon pack.